Hey everyone and welcome. If you want to host a private Minecraft server for your friends without messing around with complex router ports, forwarding, or legacy third-party tools like Hamachi, Tailscale is the ultimate solution. I'm going to show you step by step how to use it for Minecraft. So just open the Tailscale that is installed on your host computer where the Minecraft server will run. Go to tailscale.com and download the installer for Windows. Run the installer and sign in with your Google, for example, account to create your personal tailnet. Once signed in, Tailscale will automatically assign a unique IP address to your machine. And now also make sure your friends download and install Tailscale on their computers as well. Then start your standard Minecraft, Java or Bedrock server on your host PC. Open Tailscale from your tray and copy your host machine's Tailscale IP address. Then on your friends' computers, open Minecraft, add to multiplayer and click Add Server. After that, you paste the host's Tailscale IP address into the server address box, adding 25565 at the end for Java if needed, and click Done. And lastly, if you don't want your friends logging into your personal Tailscale account, you don't really have to. So log in into your Tailscale admin console, click three dots next to your host machine and select Share. And you can generate a unique invite link and send it to your mates. They can even accept it using their own free Tailscale accounts. That's the setup progress. Enjoy.